Hello everyone, LockpickingDev here. I have a big master lock here, some extra 6230, and it is a 5-pin lock, and I haven't picked in a little bit. I'm going to try bottom of the keyway tension. I've been using the top of the keyway on it, messing with it lately, and it's worked, but I'm trying to recognize when to use bottom of the keyway because sometimes it is better. Here we go. Take one out of the way. So I start with them shallow hooks. It's an awkward tension rinse position, to be honest. I think it's working against me here. I might be better off going back to, there we go, that's a spool. I'll try going back this way, upside down. Go, right there. A couple spools just got out of the way. Shallow hook's actually helping quite a bit here. Now, shouldn't put too much tension on here. Go. Easy with it. Go. Yeah, holding it this way is not helping a whole lot. Sorry, guys. Where's that last pin at? Let's get a deeper hook. Oh, it's open. Hell. My bad. Okay. I just didn't put enough tension on it. So I had it open there on the last pin I got. I see I need to rebend some picks. That way it's a little bit easier on my wrist here, so I'm not all, take my strong hand style in it. Yeah, there we go. Let's look at the key. See, it's not too bad. The only hard pin is that one in the very far back there. Just got to get under these third and fourth pin to get that fifth one. So that's the Master 6230. Let's close her out. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hello, everyone. LockpickingDev back. I had to go run and grab a different screwdriver to get the screw out with. Unfortunately, I didn't have one of these right by me, so we're going to finish gutting this now. See what's inside of it. Go. And yeah, it's that specific type of screw I couldn't get off, but like usual, I'm going to replace it with one of these, the Phillips head, so I don't have to ever screw with it again. And let's get the clip off here. It's kind of oily. Get a napkin, rinse it off, or wipe it off. Get a good angle on this thing. There we go. All right. Follower. Let's see what we have here. It's only 5 pins. Option for 6. So I might actually pin this up with a 6 pin. See, yeah, it looks like I can fit one on the very end of the key at the tip there. Make it harder. So I'm gonna assume the bottom pins are all regular. I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't be. There we go. In fact, let me put these all on my mini pinning map. That way I can get it closer to the camera for you guys in a second. There we go. Now let's get the top pins out. So this way, so this would be pin number 1. Go. A spool, another spool, another spool, another spool, and the last one's serrated. Hey. I don't know if my tweezers were always magnetized, but they're magnetized. And it's kind of annoying trying to deal with, especially when you're trying to put these springs back in and it's sticking to your tweezers. Oh man. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Let's see, the first 4 are all spools, and the last one is a serrated pin. Actually, pretty decent for a master lock. I'm kind of surprised. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna probably throw a 6 pin in here and another spool at the very end, and call it a day. All right, guys, thanks for watching.